Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Friday, August 27, 2021. We are in week number 34 of the year. Week number 34. I want to keep this video short, so let's just go and do the join me on Facebook group, Investing 102. You can see the group here. You can see I use Facebook group because it's easier for me to post my trades literally 5 or 10 minutes after. So here's one where I did yesterday. I closed out my position and I built it out. Took me 5 or 10 minutes to build this with some basic math. And you can see I can post my trades much quicker. Here's another trade that I did here. And you can see this is August 25th. And then you can see the trade confirmation 25th. And again, I do explaining the details of it. So these are real quick. Takes me less than 5 or 10 minutes to build a post with some details. That's how you learn. Here's another detail. You see that on the 24. So join me on this group. If you want to learn how to trade, or I cover everything. I cover real estate, options, stock, insurance, anything else. I talk everything money related, credit card points, Bitcoins, doesn't really matter. You can join me there. This is where you're going to level up your investment knowledge. So what am I doing today? So the markets look okay. There is some risk because I worry about the weekend risk and going into this Labor Day weekend next week, and there's the pullout deadline for the U.S. military. So there are some risks. I want to close some high short-dated options and start rolling them into the future. So I want to prepare for some of the market risk that I think is coming up. So the first one I want to show you is Tilray. You can see I have 200 shares. I have 2 covered calls on it. And on the September 3rd option, the $15 one, I got a $28 or 28 cents for it. You see, closing that position today, you can see it's only worth about $12. So I already got more than 50% of the profit. So I don't think it's going to hit $15 anyway. So what I normally do is I'm going to roll. Now, these are really horrible to roll 1 week at a time. So what I like to do is roll them 2 or 3 weeks at a time. So on this one, I may just do add another week, and then you can see it jumps up in premium. But I actually want to start moving this up now in case cannabis is moving up. So by collecting 10 cents less, you can see the difference. I'll show you the math again. From a $30 premium, right, something like this, you get $30. By moving it up 50 cents, I only lose $10, but you're gaining 50. If the shares were ever called away on your cover call, you're getting $15.50. So I actually gained $50 for losing $10 of premium. So in my case, I think that's a great deal. I'm going to start off slightly. Well, actually, on this one, it's a 5-cent spread between the bid ask. I'm going to start near the mid. Doesn't matter about good for day or not. So let's put that in. I may be able to get it for 19 or 20 cents. Hit refresh and it's still there. So I'm going to lower it 1 penny until it sells. I'll just lower it 1 penny at a time. And then eventually it will sell, because if I get to 20 cents or 19 cents, it will eventually sell. And there you go. Tilray went across. I'll just close that one so you can see that. So that's the first trade in the books. Here's another one. MJ is that marijuana cannabis ETF. You see this cover call. I collected 23. It's worth 4. I did that 2 weeks ago. There's no more value left. I might as well roll this one, collect some more premium again. Here you go. I finally got it across. MJ, really small. We're talking about $6. But I did move it out into the future next month, added 1 more month to it. I moved it up $1 just in case. You're not going to make a lot of money on these. Again, it's just one of my small holdings. I just have 1 contract on it. And that's all the trades I'm going to do for today. Market still look like it's gaining strength. Let's see what happens to next week. Again, I'm not saying bad things will happen over the weekend, but I know there's some market risk right around this date here on the 31st, the last day of August. I want to make sure I lock in some of my gains. I want to make sure August is a positive month for me because I know last month I lost money in options trading. So there's a couple things I want to pay attention to. There's only 2 trading days left. This one is really, like I said, it's the withdrawal deadline. I want to close all my risky positions come Monday. I'm not going to wait until here. Like I said, there is some weekend risk. So I just moved some of my cover calls up and out. And that's it for today. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, comment below, share this with others. If you want to learn something or want to ask me a question, reach out to me on Facebook or just comment below in this video. Let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.